Welcome to NIC, your in-force data and policy services partner. In this video, you'll learn how to identify potentially underinsured clients. Policies left unchecked may no longer reflect the client's true needs. Life changes call for coverage reviews and often present clear upsell opportunities. This ensures families and businesses are adequately protected, strengthening your value as a trusted advisor. To start, navigate to the Life Policies button on the left-hand navigation, and by using the filters on the left, Nick makes it quick and easy to segment your in-force book to identify clients that may need this additional insurance, utilizing features such as policy status, product, where this could be multiple products, net death benefit amount, and a policy effective date older than 5 years. Once you've found your list of potentially underinsured clients, click on this checkbox to select all records, then click on Add to List. From here, you want to give the list a name and a purpose. Then click Proceed to create your list. Overall, Nick helps you identify potentially underinsured clients, making it easy to review coverage and uncover opportunities to strengthen protection for those who need it most. Thanks for being a Nick subscriber. Be sure to watch our additional videos to learn about how Nick can have a positive impact on your business.